Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to not get clippings all over in your rocks and everything when you trim your bushes. So I just trimmed that one, and I used to just trim it into my lava rocks and then suck it up with a vacuum cleaner type thing. But this works a lot better. This is just like a canvas kind of drop cloth for painting. And what you want to do is grab the edge of this, just kind of feed it underneath and bring it around underneath all the things if you can. Just kind of feed this around like that. Okay, and then just go over to your other side and spread this out as much to catch as much clippings as you can. Come over to the other side, grab the edge right here, just bring that edge, try to get under all the branches if you can. Might have to lift up a little bit and bring that around, and then simply go like this. Okay, and once you've done your cutting, should be all nice and surrounded here. Most of your clippings should just go right on there. Okay, once you have done that, simply separate your clippings around one side. Just pull up like a corner basically, and you're just going to kind of gather this up in one hand as you pull this along. That should lift up all your stuff there. That stuff's trying to go in there. Just kind of scoop it up. You see I'm just gathering up the edge basically. Pull this along. That's just all gonna, you see a giant little basket form in there. And then we just pull this up over here around this edge, and check that out. No clippings at all, basically, so you don't have any stuff to pick up in your rocks, and it's all just captured in your canvas, so you can just go dump that in your trash or carry it wherever you want to. Hope this is helpful, guys. Have a great day. I'll see you next time.